Here we have one application for solving systems of linear equations, which is problems involving consecutive integers. Now, consecutive means one after the other. So when we talk about consecutive numbers like this, I'm generally going to represent the first one as x, and since the next one is the following number, it's going to be x plus 1. So here we have the sum of these. So I'm going to put them in parentheses, just so that you can see them. So those are my two numbers. I'm adding them together, and I'm going to get 315. Now again, I set it up with the parentheses so you can see it, but there's no multiplying or exponentiation outside, so I'm going to promptly ignore those parentheses and just add. And then solving from there, let's subtract a 1. And then let's divide by 2. And I get that x is 157. So that is my first number, in which case my second number is the one after that, which is 158. And that's my answer. Now, my second problem is very similar, except this time we've got even numbers. So my first number here will be x, but my second number, the even numbers are every other number, so I'm going to express that as x plus 2. I would set up something similar if this was consecutive odd numbers. So again, we are adding those two numbers together, and we want to get 354. Again, I set it up with parentheses so you can see it, but I then promptly ignore those parentheses. And let's solve from there. Let's subtract 2. And 352 divided by 2 is 176. So my first number is 176. My second, again, I don't add 1, I add 2, so that will be 178. And just to check, they are both even numbers. If I ended up with one of them as odd, I definitely would want to go back and check my work.